Here's some great Fire of London trivia. Subscribe. Who was the King of England during the fire? Is it A. Henry VIII, B. James I, C. Charles II, or D. Edward III? The correct answer is C. Charles II. What type of structure largely fueled the fire? Is it A. brick structures, B. wooden buildings, C. concrete walls, or D. steel frames? The correct answer is B. wooden buildings. How many people were officially recorded dead? Is it A. 12, B. 21, C. 6, or D. 14? The correct answer is C. 6. What landmark was rebuilt after the Great Fire? Is it A. Buckingham Palace, B. Tower of London, C. St. Paul's Cathedral, or D. Westminster Abbey? The correct answer is C. St. Paul's Cathedral. What was the immediate cause of the fire? Is it A. electrical malfunction, B. arson investigation, C. baking accident, or D. cooking gas leak? The correct answer is C. baking accident. Which London street is known for its connection to the fire's origin? Is it A. Baker Street, B. Piccadilly Circus, C. Pudding Lane, or D. Fleet Street? The correct answer is C. Pudding Lane. What were emergency response units called? Is it A. police cruisers, B. ambulance trucks, C. fire engines, or D. rescue boats? The correct answer is C. fire engines. How long did the fire last? Is it A. 1 day, B. 2 weeks, C. 4 days, or D? Incorrect, because the fire lasted significantly longer than just 1 day. The correct answer is C. 4 days. What did the fire prompt the establishment of in London? Is it A. fire safety codes, B. firefighting services, C. fireworks regulations, or D. insurance policies? The correct answer is B. firefighting services. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.